55 Filipino artists, one deck. This is Sari Sari by Run It Decks.
Hello, I'm Valvi. So I'm an artist based in Singapore. So I do illustration and toy design. First, I designed the Harmony deck. So I designed the back cover of all the cards and the front cover also in the box. So yeah, so that's my contribution. And then the second one, you can find my deck in the garden. So I did the Spin of Hearts. So first, thank you for Run It Decks for doing this because it's a one-time opportunity that makasama mo yung 55 artists. Like, may mga idol ako, like, growing up, like Quicks and Rin, sobrang idol ko sila. So, I'm so happy na maging part ng group na to and I'm so happy din na binigyan ako ng chance ng Run It to design the cover. I'm an art director, so I'm not used to this industry. Like, I'm always behind the camera. And now I'm signing the cards and talking to you guys. So I'm so happy and I'm so overwhelmed with this. Just search Valvi on Instagram, so you can follow me there.
Hi, my name is Gene Roberto. I am a toy artist and I was assigned the Six of Spades. So for the design, I did my character or the designs that I usually make. They're called Skelly. So I usually play with skulls and bones. Since I am assigned the Six of Spades, you can see it hidden in the face design. Yeah, so literally and figuratively, I feel very honored because some of these guys most of them are my friends, but I look up to these guys because some of them started way before me. So I'm really honored, privileged to be under the same roof of these creatives. I am on Instagram and Facebook. It's Gino Roberto Customs. I also customize Funko Pops and I do art toys, so you can see all of my works there. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Don D. Fernandez. I usually do surrealism. And I represent Chaco Clubs. Talagang sobrang saya ko. Kasi isang group kami lahat. Sina Quick, sina Yok, sina Valvi. So sobrang honored ako. Thank you for supporting Filipino art. You can reach me at instagram.com/DonDFernandez_art. So, thank you.
Okay, I'm Chano, 7 Club.
Hi, I'm Jesse. I'm the 7 of Hearts.
Hi, I'm Nabarok. I'm 7 of Diamonds. Hi.
And hi, I'm Aki, 7 of Spades. I'm a 3D artist. I made a character, then eventually it evolved, and yeah, mas dumami yung nagagawa ko na.
Hi, I'm Nabarok. Si Nabarok for pastels and geometric shapes. Combined with organic shapes. Basta yun, ayun.
Hi, I'm Jesse Camacho. I'm a visual artist from Quezon City. I do paintings, illustrations, and toys. And also a little bit of mural. So, sa card ko is I did si Cupid. So, you can see siya siyang archer tapos incorporated sa 7 of Hearts.
Chano, wala akong ginagawa sa buhay. And full-time artist, fashion stylist, 3D modeler, painter. Basta may makita yung palak at saka spiral, Chano yun. Sa lahat ng show, ito yung pinaka-solid talaga. Kasi lahat ng idol nandito eh. Ito, mga idol ko to.
So, it always been a dream na makasama lahat ng mga artists na kasama namin for this project. And it will always be a dream na to make art with awesome artists.
Ayun, nakaka-proud kasi, yun nga, kasama namin yung mga idol namin. Tapos, kaming mga hindi pa masyadong known, parang naaangat din kami.
Ayun, yun nga, overwhelming din yung overwhelming din yung tao ngayon. Parang yun, since madami yung artist din nakasama and talagang sobrang gagaling din naman ng mga lineup na to. So ayun, sobrang nakaka-proud. You can follow us from Solid Toys Artist. I'm Aki, Alj Ignite. Ayun.
Lahat ng socials ko at Naborok.
So my Instagram handle is @Jessie.Camacho. So we're artists from Solid Toys. You guys better check it out.
Chano MNL sa lahat ng social media platforms. Tapos yun, Solid Toys Collective. Yes.
So I'm Monkey Boy. I'm an illustrator and a toy designer. So yung card ko is Jack of Diamonds. Character is Kahel. Ano siya? Comics. Comics ko siya since 2015 pero naka-hiatus ngayon. So nag-focus sa toys. Nakaka-overwhelm medyo. Yun nga, sobrang daming artist tapos yung iba mga big names na. Sobrang grateful ako sa Runit sa pag-include sa akin sa lineup. Parang feeling ko isa ako sa mga magaling na artist sa Pilipinas, yun, parang gano'n. So nakaka-proud siya and sana magkaroon ng second series yung deck and syempre gusto kong magkaroon din ng parang solo deck ng character, sarili kong character, yun. Makikita nyo yung mga works ko sa Instagram @monkeyboy, MANKEEBOI.
Hi guys, my name is EJ, aka Slim Sulit, and I'm a toy designer. So the card I am representing is the Five of Clubs, and my inspiration in the design is that I guess my fascination for UFOs and aliens, and also I wanted to tie it up with Run It, because of their catchphrase, ang weird nito. So I wanted the actor to also say weird. I'm very, very honored to be part of this project along with all the talented artists here in the Philippines. With the help of Run It, I think it's a good opportunity to really promote the Filipino talent around the world. My Instagram is @SlimSulit and my Facebook page is @SlimSulit as well. So hope to see you there.
My name is Neil Marcelino, also known as Check This. I'm representing the deck of Ace of Diamond. One illustration siguro 2019, 2018. Basta nung college days. Yung character na ginawa ko dun sa Ace of Diamond is yung character ko na si Magnum. Part siya ng Mecha Will Rise na universe, na part din ng Bullet Punk universe ni Q. Backstory is yung si Magnum, yung character ko, nagkaroon siya ng parang enhancement dun sa powers niya para kalabanin yung mga androids na humahabol sa kanya. So, kumbaga, yun yung parang backstory niya na naisip ko para sa Ace of Diamond. Kaya ang pangalan din niya, Magnum Diamond Shotgun. Feeling ngayon is masaya, overwhelming din kasi kung makikita nyo, ang daming sumuport ng project na to. So, kumbaga parang thumbs up to sa toy culture and art industry. Plus, yung project kasi, kumbaga para makombine mo yung toys and card decks, parang ang galing sok na sok yung idea. Kaya ang galing, ang ganda. So, happy ako doon sa result. Sana magkaroon pa ng mga kasunod. Makikita nyo ako sa mga social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. Search nyo lang yung Check This, CHKDSK. And then sa mga cons like Toy Cons, Super Manila, and then yung mga toy event natin dito sa Pilipinas, doon tayo. So, yun, kita-kits tayo doon.
I'm Freddy Abrigo, artist, cartoonist, and comic artist. Ginawa ko is 9 of Spades. So ang ginawa ko siya is baboy. Feeling ko kasi sa art toys, wala pang gumagawa ng pig para unique naman.
Hi, I'm Coke Silva. I'm a digital illustrator. Ako yung si Six of Diamonds. Design is inspired sa Kamen Rider actually, pero may twist. ginawa ko siya ng story, pero lalabas ko soon siguro. Overwhelming actually, lalo na katabi ko si Boss Freely. Kaya isa ng mga idol ko to eh. Hindi ko na-expect na makakasali ako sa ganitong gallery show kasi first time ko nga din.
Yung nalaman kong maglalabas ng card at na-invite ako, na-excite talaga ako. Sobrang daming artist na magagaling na nakasama ko. Nambulan din ako ng galing kunyari. Tambay ako ng Facebook and Instagram. Check nyo lang yung name ko, Freely Abrigo.
It's a Coke thing. Yun yung Instagram. Tapos sa Facebook, Art of Coke Silva.
Hello, I am Lucky Mata. I do feminine art, nude art. I am representing 4 of Hearts.
Hello, I'm Lesu. I do graffiti art and street art illustration, representing 9 of Diamonds.
Yung design ko is feminine Lucky Mata with parang in the garden siya. It represents lang what a girl wants, parang what makes you happy.
Yung card ko po is si Lesu na nag-upload po siya sa mundo ng graffiti. As you can see po yung smoke ng then spray cups, then nasa gitna po yung 9 of Diamonds. Super nakaka-overwhelm po makasama yung ibang big shot na artist po dito. Thankful po ako sa opportunity na nakasali po ako dito sa Runit Decks.
Ako din po, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. Mapili dun sa 55 artists and isa ako doon. So, nakaka-proud din. You can find my art, mostly Instagram, at _LuckyMata.
Makikita niyo po ako sa Instagram din, Lesu MNL.
Hello, my name is Miko Rosales, also known as Miko Suave, art director in the morning. Ito, making art toys. My card here in the set is 10 of Spades. Kasi ang meaning pala kasi daw ng 10 of Spades is parang sad. So, sakto lang kasi yung character ko, si Billy Rush is medyo tragic yung story niya. So, kaya siya yung nilagay ko.
Ikaw na, sir! Action? Action? Hi, I'm Mancha. Ako nga pala yung 8 of Hearts. The concept is from our character na si Drac. Meron siyang dual personality. So, parang as a human figure, tapos biglang nagiging nagiging bat. So, yun.
Hello, ako si Sean Fontanilla of 8FF Studio, shirt printer. I'm the brewer and founder of 8 Wolves. My card is the 8 of Clubs. Si Wolfboy, our first character, released under 8FF Studio. I'm the co-founder together with Mancha. Heart. Yeah.
I'm Vincent Trinidad. I'm the artist of Meowster, the Samurai Cat, si Sushi Meowster. Bale, Meowster piece siya. Yung energy talaga as kasama mo yung mga kaibigan mong artist. Usually, mag-isa lang kami nagdo-drawing sa studios namin. Pag kasama mo yung mga artist, masaya talaga. Maganda yung energy.
Very fortunate to be part of this collaborative project under Runit. Thankful kami, lalo na kami as a startup studio that makes art toys.
Honored na naging part of this, yung mga co-artists namin. So, ayun, magandang time din na nagkita-kita kami. You can just follow us, 8FF Studio, my personal, Mancha 22 sa IG.
Follow us on Facebook, 8FF Studio, and follow my brand, 8 Wolves.
Vincent Trinidad Art, Instagram. Yun yung ako ma-message.
Hi guys, my name is Quix, toy designer from Manila, Philippines. Dun sa Sari Sari deck, I represent the King of Hearts, featuring si Tech 63 na naka-automo red uniform. Super nakaka-proud kasi we started this mga 2012. I can count in my fingers yung mga tao and groups na gumagawa ng sarili nilang designer toys. So throughout the years, now it's 2024, sobrang dami na nilang na engganyo na gumawa ng sarili nilang toys and be part of the toy culture. Follow what your heart desires. If you do your passion, yung art mo is what you love and not necessarily trend ko or kung ano yung uso. The beauty comes out naturally and of course, you attract other people who share the same passions and taste. It'll come naturally then yung following mo. So, wag ka din magmadali. It takes time, but just follow what you love and everything else will fall into place for you.
Among all the projects that we did, I would say ito yung pinakamadali. Kasi, I don't know how, but yeah, everything went smooth compared to our previous releases na medyo nahirapan sa design and all. Ito, kahit we are working with 55 Filipino artists, ang suabe pa rin ng project. And it's something that I'm very grateful of, na hindi kami masyado binigyan ng sakit ng ulo talaga ng project na to. It's very smooth. The pitching part is probably the exciting part kasi you get to share the concept, the idea with the artist. Yung response nila, it's very accommodating in a way. Once we started pitching the idea, everyone was on board. Even mga granddaddy na nga sinasabi ko sila, quick, sila rin, bring all the Filipino talented artists in one project. No, I probably there's no exact words for me to describe this feeling, but syempre thankful and grateful talaga kami. Yun na lang. Oh. Grabe yung tao. I mean, it's the largest crowd I've seen for something related to our release talaga. Nakakagulat siya. This is the most number of sheets that we have produced sa isang project, and at the same time, it's the fastest talaga. Usually kasi it takes about days or even weeks. The Voltes 5, it sold out 2 weeks eh. This one, hours lang talaga eh. And then, ubos talaga. And we're thankful, and I wish I was able to provide more uncut sheets for those who really want it. But it's a good problem to have. And in the future, we'll probably work on it. Last night, before I sleep, I was already thinking of a concept, but it's a different set of artists naman. And the list I have is about nasa 32 na ako na list ng artists. But we will see the turnout of the Sari-Sari, the first 2 decks, and then hopefully magagawa natin in the future. Hopefully. But I'm not promising anything. Yes, you can purchase them at our website, runitdecks.com. Sa Shopee meron rin. And it's also available on our flagship store in Green Hills, San Juan City, Metro Manila.